Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So to make your Instagram account private, first you're going to have to create your Instagram account. You're going to create that, you're going to download the app, and then we're going to go into the app itself. Once on the app, you're going to have to get to settings. The best way of getting to settings is to go to your profile at the bottom right. You'll click that. And then you're going to come up to the top right where they have those three lines. And you're going to select that. And you'll see kind of right down in the middle of your phone is settings. Once you're at settings, you're going to go to privacy. And then you're going to scroll down to account privacy. And you'll see right here, it's as simple as pressing this button right here. Once you press this, your account will be private and people will have to actually request to follow you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk.